Hi everyone, today I'm going to read Croc and Bird by Alexis Deacon. Side by side on the sand sat two eggs. A bird and a crocodile. Hello brother, said Bird. I'm hungry, said Crocodile. Open your wide as you can and food will come, said Bird. So they waited and waited. But food did not come. Perhaps I should go and look for some, said Crocodile. I wonder what food looks like. I don't know what we like, so I've bought a selection, he said when he came back. Could you chew it for me? Asked Bird. When they had finished, they sat together on the sand, looking at the world. I'm cold, said Crocodile. Me too, said Bird. Look, it's beautiful, said Crocodile. I think we should sing to it, said Bird. Singing makes me sleepy, said Crocodile. And then he fell asleep. When Crocodile woke up, Bird was sitting on something. Ooh, said Crocodile, what is it? It's our home, said Bird. Days went by. Crocodile and Bird grew bigger and bigger. They practiced flying, they practiced laying logs in the water. They practiced climbing and they practiced dancing. When the weather was fine, they basked on the hot rocks. When it was bad, they fluffed up to keep warm. I'm glad you're my brother, said Crocodile. Then one day, when they were out hunting, the river carried them far away to a lake full of crocodiles by a forest full of birds. They looked at them and they looked at each other. Oh, said Bird, how silly we've been. We're not brothers at all, said Crocodile. I suppose we'll have to say goodbye, said Bird. Goodbye, said Crocodile. Crocodile swam off to be with the crocodiles. Bird flew off to be with the birds. Next morning, Crocodile greeted the sun with a song. Be quiet, said the crocodiles. At lunch, Bird caught a buffalo. That's disgusting, said the birds. In the evening, Crocodile said, I've built us a nest, but no one cared. When it got dark, Bird flew away by himself. Come back, called the other birds. We don't fly at night. Bird found Crocodile perched in a tree. I couldn't sleep, said Bird. Me neither, said Crocodile. I missed you, said Bird. Me too, said Crocodile. Brother, said Bird. Yes, said Crocodile. Good night. Thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed my story. Bye.